Today I'm going to teach you how to format text field boxes in a PDF form using Adobe Acrobat Pro. This is incredibly useful when you need to customize the appearance of form fields, whether you're creating professional documents, standardizing company forms, or just making your PDFs look more polished and consistent. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to Recent Files and select the PDF file containing the form you want to format. This will open your document in the main workspace where you can begin making changes to your text fields. Next, look at the upper left toolbar and navigate to All Tools. Click on View More to expand the full menu of available options. This will reveal all the editing and formatting tools that Adobe Acrobat Pro has to offer, giving you access to the form preparation features you'll need. Now, scroll down through the Tools menu until you find Prepare a Form and click on it. This mode is specifically designed for editing and formatting form fields, making it the perfect workspace for what we're about to do. Once you're in this mode, you'll see all the interactive elements of your PDF highlighted and ready to edit. Here's where the formatting begins. Highlight all the text fields you want to format. You can do this by clicking and dragging to select multiple fields at once, which saves time if you're formatting several fields with the same settings. Once they're selected, right-click on any of the highlighted text fields and select Properties from the menu that appears. In the Properties window, navigate to the Appearance tab. This is where you'll control how your text field boxes look. Click the color picker beside Border Color and select No Color. Then do the same for Fill Color by clicking its color picker and selecting No Color as well. This creates a cleaner, more minimalist look for your form fields. Next, let's adjust the text size. Navigate to Font Size and click the drop-down menu beside it. Select your preferred font size from the list. This ensures that the text entered into your fields will be legible and appropriately sized for your document. If you want to change the font style, click the drop-down menu beside Font and select your preferred font style. Whether you want something professional like Arial or Times New Roman, or something more distinctive, you can customize it here to match your document's overall design. You can also change the text color by clicking the color picker and selecting your preferred color. This is particularly useful if you want the entered text to stand out or match your branding colors. Once you've made all your formatting choices, click Close to apply the changes. Now, in the bottom left corner, click Preview to test how your formatted fields will look and function. This lets you see exactly what users will experience when they interact with your form. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, click Exit Preview in the upper right corner to return to editing mode. And that's it. You've successfully formatted your text field boxes in Adobe Acrobat Pro, giving your PDF form a cleaner, more professional appearance. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.